All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the next effect here. So let's click on Effects, and we're going to go down to Satin. So I'll turn off Inner Glow, Inner Shadow, Stroke, and Bevel and Emboss, and we'll go right to this, and you can see already that it's added that effect. When I slap it on there, it's on Multiply. So we can do, turn on opacity, and we have a little red in the tops. And we have black in the middle. Here we can edit the distance and then the size, where it will blur, how much it will blur. And that's really Satin, you know. We can make a new cool okay, very nice. And then I'm going to turn on all the other effects here and completely wash out everything we did. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.